Looking for a product that truly lives up to its promises? You won't believe how this one can change everything. We've all been there, disappointed by products that don't meet expectations. Whether it's poor quality, low durability, or simply not working as promised, it's frustrating and a waste of money. But don't worry, this time it's different. This product is ready to deliver the solution you need. No more concerns about quality or performance. Just give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for the latest updates. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any exciting content coming up. For more details, click the link in the description below. If you have any questions or products you'd like to see reviewed, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.